Ever been in a situation where you wanted to make a purchase, but the thought of relying on traditional banking systems made you cringe? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Beam Wallet and exploring its potential as a payment method. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly is Beam Wallet? In essence, it's a digital wallet built on the Beam cryptocurrency, a privacy-focused blockchain. Think of it as a secure and anonymous way to store and spend your digital assets. But here's the burning question. Can you actually use Beam Wallet to pay for everyday goods and services? The short answer is, it's complicated. While Beam Wallet offers a secure and private way to transact, its widespread adoption for everyday payments is still in its early stages. Here's why. Limited merchant acceptance. Unlike popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, Beam's merchant acceptance is currently quite limited. You'll likely encounter challenges finding businesses that readily accept Beam as a form of payment. Focus on privacy. Beam's primary focus is on user privacy. While this is a major advantage for many, it can also hinder mainstream adoption. Merchants may be hesitant to integrate with a cryptocurrency that prioritizes anonymity, as it can raise concerns about regulatory compliance and fraud prevention. Volatility. Like most cryptocurrencies, Beam's value can fluctuate significantly. This volatility can make it challenging to use for everyday purchases, as the value of your payment could change drastically between the time you make the transaction and when the merchant receives it. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Growing ecosystem. The Beam ecosystem is constantly evolving. Developers are actively working on increasing merchant adoption and creating more user-friendly interfaces. Potential for growth. As the cryptocurrency market matures and regulations become clearer, we can expect to see increased adoption of privacy-focused coins like Beam. Unique advantages. Beam's strong emphasis on privacy offers unique advantages over traditional payment methods, particularly for users concerned about financial surveillance or data breaches. So, can you use Beam Wallet to pay? Currently, its practicality for everyday purchases is limited. However, the potential for growth is there. As the cryptocurrency landscape evolves, Beam Wallet could become a more viable option for those seeking privacy and control over their finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.